Okay guys, welcome back to another video. I thought perfect opportunity for me to break down exactly how I'm building my AI content SaaS tool with no coding experience ever. And when I mean coding, I mean I don't have a clue about Python, Java, HTML. I have no stack whatsoever. The most I can do is literally slash print. I know nothing else. And I feel like this is a really great opportunity for me to show absolutely anyone who may have some sort of vision in life. They want to achieve something, they want to build something, but they're worried that their skill issues get in the way. And I can promise you it's not. So let me really just break down how I'm going to be going about building it and how all the learnings which I was able to gather from my agency, how I'm able to implement it, within my SaaS to be able to build this. So a bit of context about myself in case you don't know me. Hi, my name's Joseph. I'm still running it on the side. At peak, I was running an agency doing around 50,000 per month, a lot of team members, etc. But I saw a key demand in the market for real like AI content SaaS, for people to be able to do everything super streamlined for me to be able to serve more people. So that's what I'm, really just going fully aligned on, okay? But even when I was running my content agency, still I'm running it, there's a few things I need you to understand. So a big thing we do when it comes to it is, why is it not letting me draw? I think now. I apologize, I don't know what's, here we go. So a big thing we did when it came to it was editing. I don't know how to edit. I don't need to know how to edit. And why is this? I find who's, okay? Second thing, scripting. Am I really the best at scripting? Not particularly. So what do I find? Who's to be able to do this for me? Operations, that's really my forte, but still, I find who's to do it for me, okay? Guys, there's a book I read, which is really one of my favorite in the whole entire world. It's called Who Not How. And I feel like this is a huge mistake a lot of people tend to make. They're trying to figure out every single thing themselves. They're trying to figure out email marketing, ads, video editing. They're trying to figure it out all themselves, and it really leads to them just becoming mediocre. They're not very good at anything, and in my eyes, and for me, that just makes, absolutely no sense whatsoever. Understand what your strengths are. For me, my strengths is I'm a visionary. I'm able to really just understand, where trends are going, what's going to work well, what isn't going to work well. I break down in a previous video of mine how, with the content marketing, I forgot the exact number. I believe it was about 35% when it comes to like personal branding, content as a whole has gone from, the money has gone from physical agencies to AI. 35% in a single year. I see that and I'm like, okay, I need to move straight over to AI. So essentially all I'm doing now is setting the vision for my team. I now have a team of developers. I'm still very heavy on the marketing just because operations and marketing I'm pretty good at, I'm pretty nice. So that's what I focus on. But everything else, when it comes to my agency, I've now appointed someone to literally just run it all for me in the background. I'm now realistically spending about 60 to 90 minutes literally on it, and that's about it. And it's because I understand the art of delegation, and I know what everyone's going to say next, because it's the typical objection I get when I tell people to do this. I can't afford it, I can't afford to do this, I can't afford to do that. And I truly think this is a limiting belief, and I want to show you why. When I started this agency, I was broke as a joke. Like, I really had no money whatsoever. Hiring someone full time, it just wasn't on the cards for me. And at this point, I could have given up, being like, okay, I want to start an editing agency, because back then, everyone wanted like these cool editing styles, and I could have given up. I could have missed out on tons of money. But instead, what did I do? I searched for people who would be willing to do some sort of partnership. I go and do what I'm good at. I go and get the client. I do all the customer support for the client, but that editor edits the videos. This way, I'm able to play onto my strengths. It's not letting me draw. I'm able to play onto my strengths, and he was able to play onto his strengths. And we did it, so I made 80%, he made 20%. You see, it was a pretty nice return for me. And then what happened? I just kept getting more of these who's. And as a result, I was then able to save this money. And then I'm now able to put this money into a developer, because it's not really like editing. You can't typically do like that sort of split unless you want to give up a percentage of your business, which I really do not want to do. So guys, I just want to show you, like, please understand, you do not need to spend years trying to acquire the skill. What are you currently really, really, really good at? Keep improving those learnings. For me right now, and I think if you asked anyone who's like successful, because I don't class myself as successful. I'm no one. Like, I'm getting pretty nice at business, yes, but I'm not like, when you look at the top dogs, I'm nowhere near. I'm trying to get there. But they will always say to you, you know, the number one skills is really leadership, setting the vision. Dan Martell, who I really, really like, he goes on about it all the time. He says, if you can set the vision enough, you can inspire your team. They will do the rest for you. So that is exactly what I'm focused on now. But maybe if you're just starting out, understand what you're good at. Maybe it's marketing, operations. Go find someone to deliver the service for you. Split the money with them. They say, instead you're good at the service delivery, go and find someone who, like me as an example, who was really good at getting clients but wasn't very good at the service delivery, and then go partner with them. Maybe you can get a fairer split. Maybe you could go 50-50. But guys, I know this is a very like random sort of video, but I just want to show you that this is how I'm building my SaaS with no coding experience whatsoever. And it's because I understand the importance of finding who's to be able to do it for me, because I'm able to play into my strengths, they're able to play into their strengths, which is of course coding, developing, etc. I'm able to set the vision, the requirements for what we want for it, how we want the UI to look. So guys, wherever you are in life, if you have some sort of vision, please do not let your current skill set be the thing that is holding you back. Because I promise you, if you look hard enough and you apply yourself enough, you can find a who for pretty much, free if you do some sort of partnership with them, or for a very cheap price if you look hard. So please do not let that be the thing which is stopping you from achieving your goals. Just please do not let it be the thing. But guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm sure you've seen the last two videos, if you're not new to the channel, have been very more value based. I'm kind of going back to, I'm doing like 50-50 because obviously those ones perform better. But I still like these ones, where I just don't really plan anything. I just speak into the camera, just speak what's on my mind. And I wanted to speak this today. I think my final thing is, once, the SaaS tool releases, which I'm not too sure when the MVP is going to be. Like, there are a few delays because I'm really trying to perfect it. It gets pretty hard when you have so many different things in place. But I'm going to be trying to get as many people as possible to test out the MVP. So if you want to test it out for reference, what it can do, you can make AI clones of yourself. So you don't have the bottleneck of having to film content each time. You can AI edit, AI script write, AI competitor analysis. Basically think of anything when it comes to content which takes a long time you doing, my tool will do it for you like that. So join the Discord below if you want to test it out. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.